Introducing the Ensbelei 36Pcs 8oz empty plastic jars with screw-on lids, pen and labels. This value package includes 36 packs of 8oz clear plastic jars with black airtight lids, offering you ample storage space for a variety of items. The wide mouth design allows for easy filling and removing, making them perfect for kitchen and household food storage. One of the standout features of these plastic jars is their food-grade materials. Unlike heavy glass jars, they are made of lightweight, durable, and BPA-free plastic. They are also resistant to impact, ensuring their longevity. You can trust that these jars are reliable, durable, and reusable, making them a great investment for your storage needs. In addition to their practicality, the screw-on lids of these jars create an airtight seal, making them leak-proof and effectively preventing any spillage. With the clear transparent design, you can easily see the contents of the jars without having to open them, saving you time and effort. This transparency also makes it convenient for quickly finding the items you need. These versatile plastic jars can be used for various purposes. They are perfect for storing DIY slime, snacks, ingredients, party favors, and crafts. They can also be used as containers for body lotion, moisturizers, face masks, exfoliators, or specimen collection. Their uses extend beyond the kitchen as well. You can utilize them in the utility room for nuts and bolts or in the playroom for art and craft supplies. The possibilities are unlimited. Please note that these products are designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Make sure to check compatibility before purchasing. The Ensbelei 36Pcs 8oz empty plastic jars with screw-on lids, pen and labels are a practical and versatile storage solution for all your needs. Don't miss out on this value package. Get yours today. Product information. ASIN B09XM15F1V. Customer reviews. 4.3 out of 5 stars. 192 ratings. Best sellers rank. Number 45,423 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. Number 395 in food jars and canisters. Date first available. April 11, 2022.